black.
Parang kilala ko tong Motopiece eh, no? Sikat to eh.
Siyempre si Motopiece yan.
Oh, Motopiece vlogger to eh.
Both guys are good strikers, so we're gonna...
Round number one.
Pero Alpha 1 yan, palaki na palaki yung team nila.
Ano ang pangalan mo kay Pre?
Both exchanging leg kicks right
Joey
now.
Lipitin.
Ha?
Lipitin.
Gauging their distance. Nice straight to the
Lipitin.
body by Coronel. And the leg kick. Nice leg kick by Kabugoy. And another leg kick by Coronel.
Yung leg kick bike sa ano, no? Yun yung parang jab ng ano eh, sa MMA. Shoot, ano yan, yung sukat.
Pangsukat, yes.
Pagsukat nila yan eh. Boom!
Nice
Good
body
counter.
kick by Coronel.
Ganda ng counter na yun.
Nice body. And another exchange. He's trying to swing and bang right now. Nice jab to the body by Kabugoy.
Kita yung Motopiece, may aggressive talaga siya.
Nice head movement right there by the Sting Coronel.
Sinasabihan siya ni Coach, huwag pang gigil. Ito si Motopiece.
But one thing about Motopiece is he's also tough. He can take punishment.
Just exactly that, no? Tinamaan siya sa tiyan, no?
No,
Sinabi
so,
lang niya,
slicing.
go, yun nga lang. Kaso tinamaan, yun na. Oh no, oh no. Oh, referee stopping it. And Motopiece still wants it.
Even if Motopiece wants it, but let's go with stop.
Motopiece not happy.
But that was a
Walk out.
quick stoppage.
Was it a quick one? Let's see the replay. The walkout si ano, Motopiece eh.